Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. These days you guys get in a lot of intro in the car. Can the fam say good morning to the faves? Say
good morning.
Ty, say morning to the faves. Louder.
Morning faves.
Right, you guys. you're waiting so long that you have to turn on.
I'm going to the park all by myself.
You're going to the park all by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought Mama and Papa was coming.
Who said that you're going to the park?
I think the pictures that the one that is going in the park is Taya, Mama, and Papa, and all of my friends.
Oh. Anyway, you guys, it is the weekend and we are out and about. It is hot out. It feels so good out today. We are heading to
the bees are back.
The bees?
Yeah.
You see bees?
A lot of bees.
Babe telling me that the bees are back because one time we were driving. One time we were driving last year this time and my window was down and a bee came in the car and bite me. But anyway, we are heading first to the lab to pick up the results from my glucose test and my urine test from last week. And then we're gonna take Minnie to the park to play a little bit. And then we are going to go to 2 stores that I want to check out. Something for baby girl, to see if I gonna find it at the store. I should buy it on Amazon. So that's what we're gonna do this morning. It's not even midday as yet, but we wanted an early start to the day because I have so much things to do this afternoon. So that should be awesome. Everybody's out today because it's such a good day. Yes baby, Mama is talking. What you supposed to say? Yes baby, can I help you?
Yes, you want that computer when I was a baby. We was in the older house and I was sleeping in baby sister's bed.
Yeah, because baby sister bed used to be Tyler's bed.
Yes.
Yeah, we were watching videos of him when he was baby back in the other house. That's what he's telling me, that he was sleeping in baby sister bed. Because that bed is now baby sister's. It used to be yours first, right?
Yes.
Right. So you pass on your bed to baby sister, right? You're a nice big brother. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day and we're sending you sunshine from our side of the world. Make sure you guys enjoy your weekend or enjoy your day, whatever, whenever you guys watching this. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, stay positive. I love you guys and we'll catch you guys throughout our eventful day, right hon? And guess what, you guys, babe have his hat today. Babe bring his hat today, so you guys know how I feel and we wear his hat. Look at him blushing. Babe bring his hat today, so that's why I put Tyler a hat on, because the sun is out and these people can't take sun like moi. So we're out. So we're at the park. You can take out the ball now if you want to play football. So you just come to the park to sit? You're just gonna sit here? You're not gonna play? What Papa have in his bag? Don't touch. Do not touch that. Get off. Come on. Up. Go get it. Go get it. Ty's having so much fun at the park. Come, baby, come. Be careful. Kick it. Get it. Get it, baby. Get it. Get it. Get it. Goal! Every time he said that, he means goal in English. Tell Papa, come in, score, Ty, score! Yay! Go get it! Go get it! Go get it, Ty! Get him, Ty! Get him! Get him, Ty! Go get him, babe! Go get him! Goal! Or goal!
Taya has 1 point and the Papa has a 0. That means Papa.
Get him, Ty! Get him, Ty! Get him, Ty! Get him, Ty! Eat up now, eat up. You guys, the unboxing video took me a little over an hour to do, but mission accomplished. It's done. It's done. And look at all these boxes that we'll have to take outside from the unboxing. All those boxes. But your girl is hungry right now. We have one more unboxing that I think we're gonna do tonight after dinner for sure, because tomorrow is gonna be a long day, and of course we'll take you guys along whatever we're gonna do tomorrow. But right now I'm hungry, so baby's outside on the barbecuing some sausage. Look at this bump that came up in my face. I'm barbecuing some sausage, and I'm gonna do just a little salad and warm some little leftover that's there, and we're gonna have that for dinner. So let me show you guys babe outside, and Tyler is enjoying his puzzle from Auntie Dianelle. Babe doing these sausages on the barbecue. They look yummy. Look like they're almost ready, so I need to hurry before they start burning and get cold. Oh. Okay guys, so that's dinner. Quick dinner for tonight. Sausage, salad, and a little potato. Unboxing the stroller and the car seat.
No?
They look big.
It's big, big.
Even the car seat look huge, no?
Look how big.
Oh my gosh. Hey, girlfriend. The stroller. Mama will eventually buy you something for here. I'm gonna have to look online for the board. You see the step board, honey? You know the infant, the toddler board. There's a board that can be attached to here for toddlers to step on here. You guys, this is our stroller for baby girl.
Are you ready to put the baby guy in there?
You ready to put baby girl in there?
Yes, this is the baby guy.
No.
Yes, this is baby
No,
guy.
don't put that in there.
But this is baby guy.
No, baby girl is here.
Put her now. Put her now.
She can't go now, she's cooking. So she has to cook more. No. So this is our stroller.
Oh, maybe. This is going to go in there.
Put it back.
This is going to go in there.
Put it back, please.
This is going to go in there.
You like it?
I love it.
Baby,
I'm just
Dad.
bothers me because when you
Baby,
pull
what are
the
you
back,
going
you
to
just make it
do?
low.
Baby, what is going to go in there? Baby, what
You
is
know what should I do?
you? Baby, I have to help you to push a baby.
Okay, you
sister.
can go now.
Baby sister is over here.
Okay, you guys, there goes baby girl, stroller and car seat. All done.
Now I must put baby sister there.
She have to be born first before you put her in there.
But he's
She?
cooking.
She's done cooking? No, she's still cooking. She still have a few more weeks to go.
Yeah.
You're funny.